Good morning, friends. I am Jigar Vyas from Swaminarayan College of Engineering and Technology. Here we are going to conduct one lecture, Unbalanced Loading Protection in Switchgear and Protection. So first of all we have to know that what is unbalanced loading. So unbalanced is nothing but the high and low peak of the voltage during the excessiveness of the system. Let's start what is unbalanced loading protection. First of all, in the figure you can see there are three CTs or current transformer which is placed near the faces R, Y and B respectively. There is one relay which is commanding to the circuit breaker to trip the circuit while unbalanced load occur. First of all, unbalanced loading arises from the fault to earth or faults between phases on the circuit breaker or on the external circuits of the alternator. Here we can see in the figure there is one alternator also placed at the end of the system. Unbalanced current may burn the mechanical fixing of the rotor core or damage the field winding. So it is very bad to the system. In the figure we can see there is one relay. So what is the operation of the relay and the circuit breaker while unbalancing is occurred? Under normal operating condition, algebraic sum of three currents which is going through the CT or we can say current transformer flowing through the relay is 0 and relay does not operate. Why? Because the sum or we can say the total is 0. Hence, the summation of the total current which is flowing through the circuit is 0 and relay does not operate because it is the balancing condition. But while the high peak or low peak occurs during the excessive noise of the system is known as unbalancing, and when unbalancing occur, resultant current flows through the system or flows through the relay and the relay trips or relay commands to the circuit breaker to disconnect the alternator from the system. Here, the main function of relay is to command the circuit breaker and the main function of circuit breaker is to operate while relay commanding it. Throughout this system, with the use of relay and circuit breaker, we can quench the arc in the unbalanced loading. So, thus we can protect our system from the unbalancing. Thank you for hearing me. Stay safe, stay blessed and stay fit.